For this assignment, you will be creating your very own musical instrument. I hope you have fun with it. A good habit to get into, as you probably do with your other assignments for this class, is try to approach this lesson with a mindset of your future students. How would they approach this lesson? What would be involved in their creative processes? What of their prior knowledge could they bring to this lesson and make application? What core content could they bring to this lesson and make those connections? Membranophone, an instrument where you have stretched membrane and it vibrates. Think about a kettle drum. Idiophones. The instrument vibrates as a whole to produce sound. Think about a triangle. Areophone. This instrument vibrates a body of air. It doesn't rely on strings or stretched membrane or striking the instrument itself to produce sound. Think about a flute or a saxophone. Chordophones. This instrument produces sound by way of vibrating string that is stretched between 2 points. Think of a piano or a guitar. Electrophones. This is an instrument that makes sound primarily by electrical means. Think about an electronic keyboard or some turntables. So I would like to share my instrument. A really good friend of mine helped me make it. So we started off with a can of ham from the dollar store and we cut it open. We got a real thin piece of wood that we made a hole in. These are actually nails. So we heated them up and we pounded them really hard on an anvil so that we flattened them out. Then we got this little piece of metal, round metal here, and then we made like a little bridge. And it's pretty cool because you can pluck what used to be nails, and you can also kind of use it as a percussive instrument because you can hit it on the back. Please take the time to get a little familiar with your instrument. Try not to get too carried away.